Welcome to iOS Settings, Wi-Fi. Your iOS device has the ability to connect to Wi-Fi networks, whether that be your Wi-Fi network at home, at a friend or family member's house, or public Wi-Fi networks that are provided by local businesses, and in some cases, entire communities. From your home screen, tap the Settings icon, and from the Settings menu, tap on the word Wi-Fi. The first thing we see in the Wi-Fi menu here is the ability to turn Wi-Fi on and off. In some instances, you may want to turn Wi-Fi off, as an example, if you're in a long-distance drive. While you're in the car, you'll never be in a Wi-Fi network long enough in order to connect to it or get any data through it. Turning the Wi-Fi off in these instances can help save battery. The next thing we see is a list of Wi-Fi networks that your device can see. It's important to know that this is not a list of every Wi-Fi network that you've ever connected to, but only those available within range of your device right now, generally about 200 feet. If you're in a coffee shop, you won't see your home Wi-Fi listed here. That is, unless you live above a coffee shop, in which case you might see your home network. Otherwise, the only networks you're going to see are those provided by the coffee shop or adjacent homes or businesses. The cool thing is, your device will actually remember the networks that you've used before. So when you do get home, your iPhone will reattach itself to your home network without you having to do anything. To join a Wi-Fi network, tap directly on the name, and not the blue dot to the right. The blue dot will take you to the network settings, and really you don't want to go there. Most Wi-Fi networks will allow for an automatic setup. If a given network won't allow an automated setup, the IT staff at that location will be able to direct you on how to access that network. If you happen into the network settings by accident, just tap the back button to return to the Wi-Fi menu and try again. The only other time you'll want to tap on the blue dot is to instruct your device to forget a network. Let's say that you're visiting a friend's house and you go to tap on their network, but you accidentally tap on the network of one of their neighbors, and that neighbor might not appreciate you using their network. Tap on the blue dot next to that neighbor's network name. You can see at the top of this menu there's a button that says Forget this network. And now your device won't try and attach to that neighbor's network anymore. So let's leave this network settings menu and head back to the Wi-Fi menu. Now notice that some of these networks have padlocks on them. This means that the network is password protected, and you will need that password in order to use it. When you tap on the name of the network, iOS will prompt you to enter the password. The cool thing is, after you've entered a password, iOS will remember it and automatically use it anytime you return to that location. The last thing we see here is Ask to Join Networks. When this is on, your device will automatically ask you if you'd like to join an available network if you aren't already attached to one. Here's how Apple describes Ask to Join. Known networks will be joined automatically. If no known networks are available, you will be asked before joining a new network. This can be helpful in conserving your cellular data. The device will only ask you when you're doing something that requires an internet connection. The downside is, if for any reason you're choosing not to use any of the Wi-Fi available in a particular location, the device will continue to ask. Ask to join might get really annoying, and this is where you would go to turn it off. And that's Wi-Fi settings in a nutshell. If you have any questions regarding Wi-Fi or any other aspects of your iPhone, iPad, or other Apple devices, email us at info@macnirvana.com. We provide individualized training both in person and live over the web. We also offer group and business training as well as consulting. Visit us on the web at macnirvana.com for more details. For MacNirvana LLC, this is Rob, and I thank you for spending this time with me.